माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल डूइंग ग्रेट। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बनाने सिखाऊंगी 4 डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ 4 strand braid. So keep on watching. First hairstyle is a very basic 4 strand braid. For this hairstyle, divide your hair in 4 equal sections. As you can see, I have divided my hairs in 4 equal sections: the outer right, inner right, and outer left and inner left.
So tired sitting here waiting. If I hear one more, just be patient.
Take the outer right strand underneath the inner right.
So let me just give up. So let
And
me
over
just
the inner
let
left.
go. If this isn't good for me, well, I don't wanna know.
And then the
Let
outer
me just stop
left
trying.
over the outer
Let me
right.
just stop fighting. I don't want your good advice or reasons why I'm alright. You don't know.
In the inner left,
You
underneath
don't
the
know what it's
inner,
like.
on the inner right, underneath the inner left.
Can't stop these feet from
And over the
sinking,
outer left.
and it's starting to show on me. You're staring
Inner
while
left.
I'm blinking,
For the outer right,
but just don't tell me what you see. I'm so over all this bad luck.
pay attention to all the
Hearing
steps
one more,
and
keep
repeat
your
it throughout the
head
braid.
up. Is it ever gonna change? So let me just give up. So let me just let go. If this
going.
isn't good for me, well, I don't wanna know.
Repeat all the steps.
Let me
I'm doing it in
just
slow-mo
stop
for you guys
trying. Let me
so that you
just
can learn
stop
it better.
fighting. I don't want your good advice or reasons why I'm alright. You don't know what it's like. Yeah, you don't know what it's like. Don't look at me like that, just like you understand. Don't try to pull me back. Let me just give up. Let me just let go. If this isn't good for me, well, I don't wanna know. Let me just stop trying. Let me just stop fighting. I don't want your good advice or reasons why I'm alright. You don't know what it's like. Yeah, you don't know what it's like. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Yeah, you don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like. Yeah, you don't know. You don't know. You don't know what it's like. Yeah, you don't know what it's like.
At the end, secure it with a hair tie. And you are done with the first or very basic 4 strand braid hairstyle.
I promise I've already learned my lesson. But right now,
Just give some volume to the braid.
not okay. I'm so tired sitting here waiting. If I hear one more, just be patient. It's always gonna stay the same. So let me just give up. So
Let me show you the
just
close-up.
let go. If this
This is the very basic 4 strand braid hairstyle.
I don't wanna know. Let me just stop trying. Let me just stop fighting.
This is the second style of 4 strand braid. For this, take the outer right underneath the inner right and over the inner left, and the outer left over the outer right and underneath the inner left, inner right, the inner right underneath the outer left, and over the inner right. Then repeat the process. Repeat all the steps. Close it. And pull out the sides a little bit.
Let me just stop trying. Let me just stop fighting. I don't want your good advice or reasons why I'm alright. You don't
For
know
the
what it's like.
third style of 4-strand braid, take off the tie from the braid you made before. Hold the 3 strands in your left hand and the middle strand in your right hand and push the 3 strands upward. Tie it with a hairband. And you are done with the third style of 4-strand braid. Just pull out the sides of the braid and give it some volume.
I know you got the best intentions. Just trying to find the right words to say.
And here's the
I promise
close-up.
I've already learned my lesson. But right now, I wanna be not okay. I'm so tired sitting here.
This is the last style of 4-strand braid. For this style, take the outer right over the inner right and underneath the inner left.
So let me just let go. If this isn't good for me, well, I don't wanna know. Let me just stop trying.
The outer
Let
left
me just stop fighting.
over
I
the
don't want your
inner
good
right,
advice or reasons why I'm
and you have a new
You don't
outer
know what
right.
it's like.
Just take the outer
You
right
don't know what it's
over the middle
like.
and the inner left over the 2 strands,
Can't
and you
stop
have a
these
new
feet from sinking.
outer left. Take the outer left underneath the middle and the inner right over the 2 strands.
You're staring while I'm blinking, but just don't tell me what you see.
The outer right over the middle
So over all this bad luck, hearing one more.
and the
Keep your head
inner
up.
left
Is it ever gonna
over the 2
change?
strands
So let me
and
just
repeat the
give
process.
up.
repeat all the steps. This braid is a little bit tricky, but all you need is some practice. Just practice it a few times and you'll learn it. This braid is also called 3D braid or round braid because it has no flat surface or front or back. And here is a tip for you guys. Just try to do all the braids while feeling the strands, not by seeing them, and this way you will be able to do it for yourself. All the braids looks very pretty when you give some volume to it. So pull out the sides and give some volume to the braid.